Hello, English learners. Welcome to English Talk Online. Today, we are following Alex and Sam as their friendship grows. This is a three-part story, and I highly recommend watching all three parts. Why? Because the English phrases become more advanced in each part, and at the very end, I have 3 questions for you to test what you've learned. Don't miss it.
Hi there. I don't think we've met yet. I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. I'm Sam. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sam. So, how do you know the host of the party?
I actually work with Sarah. We've been in the same office for about 2 years now. How about you?
Oh, Sarah and I go way back. We've been friends since we were in college together.
That's great. She's a wonderful person. Are you enjoying the party so far?
I am. The music is a bit loud, but the food is fantastic. Have you tried those mini tacos yet?
Not yet, but they look delicious. I'll have to grab some in a minute. So, Alex, what do you do for a living?
I'm a graphic designer for a marketing agency. I spend most of my day drawing and working on a computer. What about you? What's your line of work?
I'm a high school history teacher. It can be quite tiring, but I really enjoy working with the students.
I can imagine. That sounds like a very rewarding job. Do you live nearby, or did you have a long commute to get here?
I live just a few blocks away, so it was a very short walk. It's a lovely neighborhood. Do you live in this area?
No, I live on the other side of town. It took me about 30 minutes to get here with the Friday evening traffic.
Oh, I know that traffic can be terrible. I'm glad you made it safely.
Thanks. Well, Sam, it was really nice chatting with you, but I think I'm going to head over to the snack table before all those tacos are gone.
Good idea. It was great meeting you, Alex. Enjoy the rest of your night.
You too. See you around.
Alex? I thought that was you.
Oh, hey Sam. What a small world. What are you doing in this neighborhood?
I actually have a dentist appointment just around the corner, and I desperately needed a coffee before heading in. I didn't know you came here.
I'm here all the time. It's my home office away from home. I find the background noise actually helps me focus on my design work.
I'm the opposite. I need total silence when I'm grading my students' history papers. If I hear music, I start singing along instead of working.
I can understand that. So how have you been since the party last weekend? Did you recover from the loud music?
Just barely. It was a fun night, though. I actually ran into Sarah yesterday at lunch, and she said you guys are planning a hiking trip soon.
Yeah, we're thinking of heading to the mountains next Sunday. You should join us if you're free. It's a very beginner-friendly trail.
I'd love to, but I'm actually helping my brother move into his new apartment that weekend. Rain check?
Definitely. We go quite often, so you can catch the next one. By the way, how is the school year going? You mentioned you were a bit tired when we last spoke.
It's picking up. We're starting a unit on the Industrial Revolution, which is always a favorite for the kids. It keeps me on my toes, but it's rewarding.
That sounds fascinating. You know, if you ever need any interesting visuals or posters for your classroom, let me know. Since I'm a designer, I have a ton of resources.
Wow, that's so kind of you. I might actually take you up on that. I've been looking for a way to make the timelines look more modern.
Just send me an email whenever you're ready. Anyway, I don't want to keep you from your appointment.
Oh, you're right. I should head out. It was great seeing you again, Alex. Let's make sure to exchange numbers so we can coordinate that hiking trip.
Great idea. Here, let me give you mine.
Perfect. I'll text you later. Have a productive afternoon.
Thanks, Sam. Good luck at the dentist.
I'm glad we finally made this happen, Sam. This place is a bit hidden, but they have the best food in the neighborhood.
Thanks for the invite. I really needed a break from the school cafeteria. And I wanted to thank you again in person. Those design templates you emailed me are perfect for my history project.
It was no trouble at all. I actually had fun putting them together. So, have you decided what you're getting? I think I'm going to go with the spicy chicken sandwich. I'm leaning towards the classic deluxe burger. It's been a long morning and I'm absolutely starving. Do you know if they allow substitutions? I'm not a big fan of onions. Oh, definitely. They're usually very flexible here. You can just ask to swap them for extra pickles or even a side salad. Good to know. I'll do that. So Alex, we've talked about work and hiking, but what else do you do for fun when you aren't staring at a computer screen? Fair point. I'm actually a huge photography buff. I spend most of my weekends exploring old parts of the city with my camera. That's impressive. I've always wanted to learn how to take better photos. Most of mine end up looking blurry or too dark. It's all about the lighting. I'd be happy to show you some basics sometime. Maybe we could do a photo walk downtown next weekend. I'd love that, as long as you don't mind me being a total beginner. Not at all. We all have to start somewhere. It's a deal then. It's a deal. Now, let's hope this burger is as good as you promised.
Great job finishing the series. To help you remember these phrases, I have 3 questions for you. Write your answers in the comments below. Question 1. How did Alex and Sam first meet? Question 2. Where did they run into each other, and what were they drinking? Question 3. If you met a new person today, what is the first question you would ask? I can't wait to read your answers.